Hi guys, how are you? My name is Sardar Tayyab and today topic is SAN. SAN stands for Storage Area Network. Uh, let's start it. Storage Area Network SAN is a dedicated high-speed network for storing and access large amount of data. Here are some key aspects of SAN. First is definition. First is definition: a separate network or storage devices and servers provider block level access to storage devices. Second is components: storage devices, disk arrays, tab libraries, SAN switches. And directory host, bus adapter, HBAS or server connective fiber channel FC to Ethernet cable for connectivity. Third is benefits: centralized storage management, improved data availability and redundancy, increase storage capacity and scalability, enhance perform and throughput. Four is protocols: fiber channels protocol FCP, internet small computer system interface, ISCSI, fiber channel for Ethernet FCOE. Five is topologies: fiber topology, switch networks, arbitrator loop topology, ring topology. Six is SAN type: fiber channel SAN, FC SAN, Ethernet SAN, ISC SI, FCOE. In band SAN. 7 is SAN management: storage source management, SRM, software SAN, zoning and masking for security and access control, performance monitoring and troubleshooting. SAN is commonly used in first is enterprise data center. Second is cloud storage infrastructure. Third is virtualization environment. Four is database and analytics application. Five is high performance computing HPC environment. Here are some additional key aspects of SAN. First is SAN scalability: horizontal scaling, adding more storage devices; vertical scaling, increasing storage capacity; scaling storage performances. Second is SAN security: data encryption, access control and authentication; secure multi-tenancy, compliance with regulation HIPAA, PCI DSS. Third is SAN data protection, backup and recovery, snapshots and cloning, republication and mirroring, disaster recovery planning. Four is SAN performances optimization, storytelling and coaching, data deduplication and compression, storage quality for service QoS, performance monitoring and analysis. Five is SAN management software, storage source management, SRM tools, SAN management platform, monitoring and reporting tools, automation and orchestration tools. Six is SAN virtualization, storage virtualization, virtual storage appliance, VSA, virtual SAN, VSAN, hyper convert infrastructure, HCI. Third, 7 is SAN future trend, and NVMe over fabric, NVMe of storage close of memory, SCM. Artificial intelligence, AI and machine learning, ML is SAN cloud, integrating SAN and hybrid cloud storage. Here are some additional key aspects of SAN. First is SAN sound networking: fiber channel networking, Ethernet networking, CSI, FCOE, in fine band networking, network architecture and design. Second is SAN storage devices: disk arrays, SSD, hybrid tab libraries, solid state storage SSD. Object storage, third is SAN protocol and standards, fiber channel protocol FCP, small computer small interface SCSI, sorry, internet small computer system interface ISCSI.